To the graduates of this great Nations University, we congratulate you. There's only one feeling that overwhelms yours, and that is mine, because we've been in this thing for almost 30 years, and we've met many of you in many quarters of the world and have enjoyed the fellowship. And if we haven't met you in person, maybe we've graded your papers. So congratulations. We know the task has been difficult. It has been sacrificial on your part. It has cost you some money, but more than that, it's cost you time. It's been a very deliberate program. It's been a program that gives us great satisfaction to know that you have completed it, and you completed it in a marvelous way. When Dick Adey and I sat in this particular room in which I am now standing, nearly in 1995, we projected a vision that included you, that carried Nations University programs around the world. We didn't know at first what it was going to be. We set out to offer courses that were free by taking individuals as volunteers to pay their own way overseas and to teach courses. And then as students began to ask for degree programs, we created those. And in all of this, the Lord was working so that we came together to build a program that would be beneficial to people regardless of wherever they were. It was not easy because of different cultural forms, and it was not easy because of the demand for some books and other expenses of travel that would necessitate the building of a program that asked for other volunteers who gave of their financial means. And so here we are today with you graduating. Let me say something about what this would mean to you. First of all, I've been known to say that when a person is graduating, congratulations, but now that you have your degree, forget it. In other words, get on with your business. This degree, or any degree that Nations University offers, is not intended to build a kind of self-righteous spirit. It is intended to build humility and to prepare people to be able to think critically about matters and to make good judgments, just as one would make if he is going into court and he is satisfying the jury that he has done his best job to do whatever his task has been to do. Well, the world will judge whether or not we have been successful. And if we have created in you a pride, then we have failed you. If we have created within you a sense of humility and desire to give yourself freely without taking credit for anything that you do, then we will have been successful in what we do. But if there are any thanks to be given, it goes to those who have been volunteers, many faculty, all faculty, and those who have given themselves to staff work, to administration work, those who have graded papers, graded essays, professors. These have all given their time, and they have given it either freely or with reduced salaries. There is a sacrifice. But in addition to those who have given themselves into staff work and professorial work, in addition to those, there have been just many, many people who have given also their financial support, and some have been very substantial in this. And in the financial support, they've enabled us to do the job that we do with reduced cost or with no cost at all to you, the students. And that is a delight on our part, and I know you will welcome it. So if you're going to give any thanks or any praise for anything that Nations University does, then let it go to those who have volunteered and those who have worked sacrificially. Where do we go from here? Well, it's my hope that you will be a blessing to the world in whatever capacity you are and wherever you are, that you will help those who are about you. You will use your education and the skills that God has given you, in which you have honed, to make that education possible for other individuals. For we are wanting to go beyond ourselves. We're wanting to praise the name of God, and we're wanting, therefore, to do the things that are right without boasting. So our thanks to you. And if we are pleasant, and if we are productive, if we are helpful, if we are godlike, He will bless us, and He will bless the institution And that's all we can ask for, and that's all that we do expect to come out of our work. God bless, help you always, and be glory to him throughout the ages. And amen.
Well,